Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn clothing phrasal verbs with pictures and example sentences. Pull on. To put on clothing by pulling. He pulled on his sweater. He pulled on his underwear. Pull off. To remove clothing by pulling. He pulled off his t-shirt. Please pull off your gloves. Zip up. To fasten with a zipper. Zip up your jacket, it's cold outside. Your pants zipper is open, zip it up. Zip down. To unfasten or open a zipper. Zip down your jacket to cool off. Zip down your hoodie if you feel too warm. Button up. To fasten buttons on clothing. Make sure to button up your shirt before the meeting. Roll up. To fold the ends of clothing upwards. She rolled up her sleeves. He rolled up his pant legs. Tuck in. To place the edges of a shirt inside pants. You should tuck in your shirt before going to an interview. Strip off. To remove all or most clothing. She stripped off her wet clothes. He stripped off his jacket. Put on. To wear a piece of clothing or equipment. Put on your coat before you go outside. Please put on your helmet for safety. Please put on your headphones. Take off. To remove a piece of clothing or equipment. Take off your coat, it's hot inside. He took off his helmet as he entered the room. Please take off your shoes at the door. Kick off. To remove shoes quickly. She kicked off her heels as soon as she got home. He kicked off his boots at the door. Dress up. To wear formal or special clothes. We need to dress up for the wedding. She dressed up as a fairy for Halloween. Dress down. To wear casual clothes. She decided to dress down for the informal gathering. I prefer to dress down on weekends. Slip on. To put on clothing quickly. She slipped on a jacket and went outside. She slipped on her sandals and left. Throw on. To put on clothes quickly without much thought. I just threw on a t-shirt and jeans. She threw on a coat and ran out the door. Change into. To put on different clothes. I'll change into my pajamas now. He changed into his workout clothes. Change out of. To take off clothes and put on different ones. She changed out of her uniform. Please change out of your wet clothes. Try out. To test the fit or style of clothes. She tried out several dresses before choosing one. I want to try out this new jacket. Dress in. To wear specific clothes. She dressed in a red gown. He dressed in black for the funeral. Layer up. To wear multiple layers of clothing. It's cold, so layer up. He layered up with a sweater and jacket. Take in. To make clothing smaller. She had to take in her dress. He took in his pants for a better fit. Let out. To make clothing larger. Can you let out these trousers? She let out her skirt to make it fit. Cover up. To wear more clothing to hide something. She covered up with a scarf. He covered up his tattoo with a long sleeve shirt. Slip out of. To remove clothing easily. She slipped out of her dress. He slipped out of his shoes. Get into. To put on clothing. Get into your pajamas before going to bed. After dinner, she got into her sleep attire. Get out of. To remove clothing. He got out of his wet clothes. She got out of her uniform. Try on. To put on clothing to see if it fits. She tried on the dress but didn't like it. Can I try on these jeans? Hang up. To place clothes on a hanger. Don't forget to hang up your coat. He hung up his suit in the closet. Break in. To wear new clothes or shoes until they are comfortable. I need to break in my new shoes. He broke in his leather jacket. Wear out. To use clothing until it is no longer usable. Wear out these jeans, don't keep them in the closet. He wore out his favorite shoes.